Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn from the psychometric testing website howtobecome.com, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to pass a mental ability test. So if you have to undertake any type of mental ability, aptitude or psychometric test anytime soon, make sure you stay tuned, because I promise to help you pass at the very first attempt with the highest scores achievable. And to achieve that goal, this is what I will cover during this tutorial. Number one, I will explain how to answer common mental ability test questions to get the highest scores achievable. Number two, I will then give you lots of example mental ability test questions to try out live on the screen. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more questions you practice, the higher your scores are going to be during the real test. And number three, I will then tell you where you can get instant access to more free mental ability and psychometric test questions to help you prepare. And just very quickly, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thousands of you are passing your tests and job interviews. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please just give the video a like. A lot of time goes into preparing for these videos, and I really do appreciate your support by liking the video. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get started with these mental ability test questions. So I will work through an example test question with you to show you how to answer it, and I will then get you to try some live on the screen. So question number one. When looking at the set of cubes side on, which pattern A, B, C or D will you see? So what we have to do is look at that set of cubes side on, where the arrow is pointing, and then decide which pattern A, B, C or D we can see from the side. Well, how do you answer this quickly? Because remember, you will be under timed conditions. Well, step one, start at the left-hand side of that set of cubes and count how high each column of cubes is. So if we start on the left, we can see that that is 2 high. Then the next one, moving along to the right, is 3 cubes high. The next one is 1 cube high. The next one is 2 high. And the next one is 1 high. So the pattern we are looking for is 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 when looking side on. And if we look at the answer options, the only one that is 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 is C. So we then choose the correct answer. C is the correct answer because that shows 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Absolutely perfect. And if you use that format when answering this type of mental ability test question, you will be able to answer the questions very quickly. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. You are going to be under timed conditions. And I recommend practicing with a timer. So now it's your turn to try some exciting mental ability test questions. So please put your answers to questions 2, 3 and 4 in the comments section below the video for marking. And I will then come on here each day and score them for you. Okay, so question number 2. Now on the left hand side you will see a red timer. I will give you 15 seconds for each question. That's not a lot of time. If you find the timer is not long enough, please pause the video and work through the question, because it's important to understand how to get the question correct. So when looking at that set of cubes side on, you need to look that side this time. Which pattern A, B, C or D will you see? So don't forget, you need to look at it at that side. So it's a different side that you're looking at now. So when looking at that set of cubes side on, which pattern A, B, C or D will you see? Don't forget to use that process. Start on the left-hand side. Here's your 15-second timer. Which answer is it, A, B, C or D? Tell me in the comments section below the video. Here we go. Okay, fantastic. And if you can answer these within the time limit, you are doing brilliantly. Question number 3. When looking at the set of cubes side on, which pattern A, B, C or D will you see? Please put your answer in the comments section below the video for marking. Here's your 15-second timer. Here we go. Okay, fantastic. And question 4, one more before we move on to some different type of mental ability test questions. When looking at the set of cubes side on, which pattern, A, B, C or D, will you see? Here's your 15-second timer. You are doing brilliantly. Don't forget to put your answers in the comment section, and remember to always practice under time conditions, because when it comes to the real test, you will find it far easier. So let's now move on and try some different mental ability test questions. Question number 5. Which shape comes next in the sequence? Is it A, B or C? So we have to look at the pattern at the top, those 3 what look like suitcases or handbags with dotted lines below them, and work out which one comes next, where the question mark is from A, B or C. So there is a logic to this. If we look at that bag with the handle pointing at the top, on the next sequence it moves 90 degrees to the right and it's then 90 degrees to the bottom, which means the handle will then have to point to the left, and the only 2 out of the answer options are either A or C. So we can immediately eliminate answer option B because that is pointing to the right. We then look at the dots quickly and we see that the dotted pattern starts at the bottom. It then moves 90 degrees up to the right. So it has to move downwards, and the only answer it can be is A, because the space where the dots are must be at the bottom. So therefore it's not C. It can only be answer option A. So now it's your turn to try some more mental ability test questions. Please put your answers to questions 6, 7 and 8 in the comment section below the video for marking. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to give you 10 seconds on these. See if you can really increase your ability with these test questions and answer them quicker. Which shape comes next in the sequence? Is it A, B or C? Here's your 10-second timer. Tell me in the comment section which answer it is. Brilliant, well done. Question number 7. Again, which shape comes next in the sequence? Is it A, B or C? Here's your 10-second timer. Awesome, great stuff. Okay, and question number 8. This is a little bit harder, so I will now give you 15 seconds. Which shape comes next in that sequence? Is it A, B or C? Here's your 15 seconds. Fantastic, well done. We are making tremendous progress. Let's now move on and try some different mental ability test questions. These are slightly different. By the way, I really hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Don't forget to smash that like button. I really do genuinely appreciate your support. Thank you. So, question number 9. Which 3 of the 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word meaning to eat or drink something greedily? So you can see that we've got lots of different 8-letter bits starting from the left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-letter bits. And we have to decide which 3 of those 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word meaning to eat or drink something greedily. I can see the answer. So the answer is G-U-Z, Z-L-I-N-G, which is guzzling. We put them together to get the word guzzling. So it's a difficult mental ability test question, but try some of these because they are common during mental ability, aptitude and psychometric tests. So now it's your turn to try some of these mental ability test questions. Please put your answers to questions 10, 11, 12 and 13 in the comment section below the video for marking. Thank you very much indeed. Question 10. Which 4, it's 4 this time, not 3, 4 of the 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word meaning unable to think clearly? Here's your 15-second timer, guys. Tell me in the comment section your answer. Brilliant, well done. Question number 11. Here we go again. Now this time it's 3. Which 3 of the 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word that means to alter or move something slightly to achieve the desired fit? This is a tricky one. Let's see if you can get this. 15 seconds. Here's your timer. Here we go. This is great. You are doing tremendous. Question number 12. Which 4 of the 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word that describes an unfortunate incident that typically results in damage or injury? Tell me your answer in the comment section below, please. 15 seconds. Great stuff. And question 13, before we move on to a different type. Which 3 of the 8-letter bits can be combined to create a word meaning a person who is travelling or visiting a place for pleasure? Here's your 15-second timer. This is a tricky one. Well done. And you will notice with some of these questions, some of the combination letters are put in there to confuse you. You've probably noticed some of them. Okay, let's now move on and try some different mental ability test questions. So question number 14. Which pattern completes the shape? So which pattern, A, B, C or D, completes that shape where the question mark is? How do you tackle this question? So I will show you how to do it quickly, and I will then get you to try some live on the screen. So here's what I would do. I would start at the top of that diagonal line and calculate how many polygons need to be in there. So this shape is made up of 6-sided shapes, and they are called, those little green shapes are called polygons. It's a 6-sided shape. How many polygons go across there? Well, it's 3. Then the next diagonal line, 2 polygons. Then the next 3 lines is 1 polygon on each one. So we are looking for the pattern starting from the top to the bottom of 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. And the only one out of A, B, C or D is A. You can see there 3 at the top, then 2, and then 3 lots of 1s. So A is the correct answer. Brilliant stuff. Very easy to answer them when you follow that logical process, that logical sequence. And it will help you to answer them really quickly during the test. Now it's your turn to try some more mental ability test questions. Please put your answers to questions 15, 16, 17 and 18 in the comments section below the video for marking. Thank you very much indeed. Here we go. Question 15. Which pattern completes the shape A, B, C or D? Here's your 10-second timer. You'll have to work quickly. Here we go. Fantastic. Question 16. Which pattern completes the shape A, B, C or D? Put your answer in the comment section below. Here's your 10 seconds. Superb. Question 17. Try another one, a bit harder. Which pattern completes a shape A, B, C or D? Here's your 10 seconds, guys. And you will see lots of the answer options are very similar. That's why you have to show attention to detail during these test questions and make sure you get the correct answer. Question 18, which pattern completes the shape A, B, C or D? Here's your 10 seconds. Great stuff. Well done. Okay, so the next thing I would like you to do is get access to my free online tests. Click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, howtobecome.com, and you can get instant free access to my psychometric testing suite online, where you can practice lots of different psychometric tests, aptitude tests, numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, spatial reasoning, mechanical comprehension tests. The list goes on. So you can get free access to it for a period of time, and you can try these tests on your smartphone, your laptop or your computer and practice them under timed conditions. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I am here to help you throughout your career, get every job you ever apply for. I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please give the video a like. A lot of time and effort goes into making these tutorials. I really do appreciate it. If you just smash that like button, thank you so much. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. If you are on LinkedIn, I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tell me all of your answers in the comment section. I'll come on here each day and answer them for you. Well done for sticking till the end. I am very confident you will pass your test with the highest scores achievable. Have a great day.